Oh my god.
Lows in the upper 30s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. For Thanksgiving Day, cloudy.
3
Showers
stations.
likely early.
Somebody don't know. Oh yeah!
During potentially dangerous weather situations. Bridgeport, Ohio on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday, receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWF35, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Tuscarawas, and Washington. And these counties in northern West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, Ohio, Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Wetzel, Word, and Wood. And finally, these counties in southwestern Pennsylvania of Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. Near shore for
I got 2 other stations on here.
The wind was calm. Barometric pressure 30.2.
I'll wait till they actually start.